Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you'll have seen from the title of this video, we are taking on a bit of a challenge this week. So we have been challenged by Pomegranate to do a sugar-free week, and I am a total sugar addict. I just love sugar. I have sugar in my tea, I eat chocolate and biscuits and loads of rubbish. So this is a really good challenge for us as a family, and particularly me, to try and cut out the sugar that we have. So apart from obvious sugars like sweets, and I add sugar to my tea, which is terrible, and I drink 50 million cups a day, so imagine the sugar I'm having. There's lots of hidden sugars in drinks that we don't realise. So it's really good that the government are bringing in this new sugar levy to make sure that we are not drinking lots of hidden sugars. And pomegranate is brilliant because it doesn't contain any sugars, it is sweetened naturally, and it tastes really good. The kids love it, and it had a lovely colour to make it appealing to kids, so mine have been really enjoying it. We're only on day one and already we're halfway through a carton of pomegranate. I'm going to have to go out and buy more, and I'm hoping I can try and incorporate it into a few recipes this week too. So I'm really looking forward to the challenge this week. I'm going to be honest and say that I think I'm probably going to find it the hardest this week. I'm not going to promise that we're going to be 100% sugar-free, but we are definitely going to make some small changes to try and significantly reduce the amount of sugar that we're eating and drinking this week. Wish me luck, because I know I'm really going to find this tough. Do you like blueberries? Are they yummy? Yeah. Okay, that big. So I decided I would make a sugar-free snack today. So I've done some baking and I've made some fruit muffins. They have no sugar and no fat in them, and that is going to be my treat for the cuppa this afternoon since I'm not having any sugar. I found today not too bad. This evening I found the hardest because normally in the evening I would have a cup of tea, which I normally take with sugar, and some kind of treat like chocolate or a biscuit or something. So yeah, I found this evening the hardest. Today hasn't been too bad, but I'm going to have a drink of, I think, some peppermint tea and then head to bed. So that is us come to the end of our sugar-free week. It went really well. It actually was easier than I thought. Just making some small changes to sugar-free alternatives made it much easier to cut out the sugar. And will we carry it on? I'm not going to promise we'll cut out sugar completely because I think I would miss my chocolate too much. But I am definitely going to carry on with some of the changes that we made. Things like having the pomegranate juice as a treat, which is sugar-free, means that we are cutting out on any extra sugars in things like drinks and snacks. We will definitely be looking to buy some sugar-free snacks in future. So yeah, a really successful week. We've really enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed following along with us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!